Hello YouTube, today I want to talk about how to start a track in Ableton Live. How I start? I always start in session view. So this is our session view. When you click here, we have arrangement view. This is actually one of my newest tracks, but we will work here in this area which is empty. So why we should or we supposed to use the session view in Ableton Live? First of all, we can do everything here before we go here. Many producers starts their tracks just from here, so they create new audio, they put kicks, blah blah blah, and they start everything here. When we are here, we can make like plenty of patterns which we could use later in our arrangement view. So when I start the tracks, I always start with like kick and bass, then I go to percussion. So let's maybe play it. Okay, let's kick drum, kick and bass, and now clap, open hat, hat close, and crash. So this is like I have like solid bass, and I can start making melodies. When I do goatrance, the best idea like for goatrance, for me actually, for my workflow, is to start melodies just after kick and bass. And one thing also I want to say, I never start my tracks with intro. I like to start like on 16th bar or even later, and I always keep my intro for the like last, is like my last element of my arrangement. So I think it's quite different than most of producers. Anyway, I like to build like many different presets, and I do many melodies. When I have like 10-15 melodies on different instruments, I can go here. Let's maybe show you example. So I have like and what is like awesome in Ableton and in session view, when you making your MIDI patterns, your melodies, you can try them with your bass. And you can add other stuff in real time. So when you have your melodies, you have your like strong bass, you can start arrangement, and it's much easier than just start everything from scratch in arrangement view like so here. So let's turn off our all tracks. Now what you can do, record, kick, bass, So when we record it, it's very easy now to just improve it or correct it. So we can, let's stretch it. Okay, now I see, look, 24. And now is everything just about move it into the grid to fit everything into your beat. Okay, I think I showed you the most important informations about how to start track. Like, this is my workflow. Also, you can do wherever you like. Everyone have to find own way to do tracks. This is my best way. So if you like it, subscribe my channel, press like button, and see you next time. Bye.